Quickly again, we have an understanding of King John, his big screw up, Pope Innocent III, Pope Innocent XI, Magna Carta, progression of the Rothschild Bank, the Vatican, who owns all the world, their same Temple Bar attorneys who monitor the Crown of London financial district, the US government as a private entity, the Federal Reserve as the private entity, the IMF as a private entity, the UN is a private entity. In essence, Wall Street is the money-making machine. Fleet Street in London is the financial district, and Switzerland is the bank that houses all of the Crown of London's wealth. The Vatican, of course, has its own bank, and I will quickly explain the progression of where your tax dollars go. Now, simply put, if you were to draw a picture of a great big pie on your wall, create 3 quadrants, one bigger than the rest, at 67%. That is the amount of money that goes to the Vatican, that percentage of your tax dollars. 23% goes to the 18 members of the Federal Reserve Bank, and the last 10% goes to the IRS to keep their lips shut. Located within the Crown of England is the original Federal Reserve Charter, which, according to the Farmers' Claims legal team, allocates 67% of the income tax collected by the IRS to be divided to the Crown of England, another 23% to be paid as a dividend to the 18 shareholders of the Federal Reserve Bank, and the last 10% was to be paid to the employees of the IRS to keep them quiet for executing and collecting the unlawful and illegal tax. I'm curious to know what percentage the Canada Revenue Agency and its administrators and the courts receive in Canada, but I believe it would all be part and parcel to that 10% allotment for keeping their mouths shut.